so 20% with supplement, and because the rhinos is on the grass. No? Now, well guys, that the white rhino, you cannot so good see. The distance is 20 meters, but you can see. But you can very good hear and smell. Speed of the rhino 45 kilometers per hour. Guys, the weight of the rhino is 3.5 tons. Well, he can building that speed up to 45 kilometers per hour, because you can see the ribs of the rhino. The ribs tell you that rhinos is not fat. In the body of the rhino is a lot of muscles. That's why he can building that speed up to 45 kilometers per hour. So guys, in summer it's very dry here. Then the rhinos move to the lake, rolling in the mud, because mud protects the skin of the rhino. So sunshine days, the rhino can lay in the sun. The sun cannot burn his skin because the mud protects the skin. So guys, is that white rhinos